Philadelphia Cheesesteak Tour, and we're at Mad Dog Morgan's. Well, because I got cheesesteak brain right now. And so we have Randall Bakery as the bread. We have a sirloin. You can see the cheese is mixed in nice and well. It looks wet, looks gooey. Good mixture. And get a little flavor.
You seem to be going to the top, so the cheese must be spread really well, huh?
Yeah. It's harder to eat when it's in cores.
Yeah.
But couldn't tell if I had just cheese flavor or meat and cheese. I have a little meat. We go 7.7 on this. Nice and moist. A little salt from the sirloin in there. Good mixture of cheese and meat all the way to the end of the roll. I do like the roll. Holds together well for a cheesesteak. So I'm going to go with a 7.8.
Yeah, definitely the different style of the Atlantic City style roll. You can definitely tell it's a little bit different here. Great flavor in that first bite. Gooiness for cheese. Great flavor from the sirloin. Clearly just a nice seasoning on the grill. Great meat, bread, cheese ratio. Maybe a little bit. I mean, definitely enough for the roll. It's handling it. I think I'm a little higher than these. I'm at an 8 on this one.
All right.